especially tonight, I got special case want to review tonight. In the end, or at least you know what our system can do for borrower. Okay, and this is a very new case. Okay, we just since yesterday only, we managed to this customer managed to sign up. Then we managed to analyze the case so that I could share. Of course, I cannot share all the details, but I think enough to give you an idea how our system going to help. All right. Okay. Let me share my PowerPoint. Okay. All right. Okay. Can everybody see clearly? Okay, can see clearly? All right, give me triple one to start,
Yes,
okay, thank you. Thank you for response, because my screen cannot see the rest of the function. I let my admin to help me to do the adjust the function, right? Okay. So, okay, I'm actually from this Proptech Foundation, okay? So there is something we want to introduce to public, they call Proptech Mortgage Management System. So this is a short form called MMS. It's your shortcut to debt-free home, right? So I share a little bit of my background. I think we have some new friend here, okay? So I has been sharing this mortgage management since 2008. You can see this is the first event. So after that, of course, I've been sharing everywhere. Okay, you can see this is the one of the corporate. Okay, so we're sharing with most of their staff. So of course, we actually started to help a lot of borrower since then. Of course, you can see also representing and give a sharing in a very big event. This is a Star Property Fair. I think approximately about 400 to 500 audience. Of course, after that, it's been keep inviting by a lot of different corporate and also a financial institution event. Also sharing a VIP speaker. And also I'm an annual property conference speaker also. I have been sharing with a certain very important department in Malaysia. They are from Bank Negara, they are from a developer, they are from different associations. I also share what my knowledge is. Okay, of course, to the individual, to the public, especially borrower, I actually share what happened, what is the term and condition you sign in our letter offer. Okay, you can see in the photo event showing, actually reading the letter offer. Okay, because most of us after sign already, we actually don't have time to just read back again, just to do review. Tonight, I want to review something you might know or you might forgotten already. It's important just to refresh again, okay? Because the loan is not few months, it's few hundred months, right? Okay, of course, we have been conducted more than 500 mortgage education classes, benefiting more than 10,000 participants throughout the whole Malaysia, right? Okay, of course, I also interview by media, sharing newspaper, also writing a magazine, or you can see a lot of interview, a different newspaper, or I was writing an article for Asia, leading property magazine, and also interview by New Straits Times. This is quite some time ago. This is 2011. My title is How to Slash 50% of Your Home Loan. I was mentioned pay accurately. This is important. Okay, a lot of borrower, a lot of issue happen. Why? Because they don't pay accurately. I will explain this using one case. Okay, so I was keeping this article for years. This is the one borrower borrowed 20 years, borrow 40,500 after paying 16 years. Still left 4 years, but the outstanding still very high. You can see, still owe 36,000. So how? So this article was mentioned So they end up the loan extended 6 years. So of course nobody happy lah, friend. Everybody want to plan for retirement after 50 or 60. So cannot settle. So how? Okay. Of course that bank negara information, our household debt, we are actually owing a lot of money, about 1.4 trillion. You can see on the screen, credit card about 3%, car loan 12%, personal loan 13%. The higher is our housing loan. Of course, when we have problem with our income, what happened? You can see the screen. There's huge amount of people bankrupt or due to we cannot pay. Okay, so do not fall into one of the victim. This is going to be a very bad story for you and your family. So it's important that you spend some time with us. We want to share what we know, what we are doing for the last so many years. Okay, for the latest from Ministry of Finance, our household debt shoot up to 1.57 trillion, and the housing loan is how many percent? It increase again is 61%. It means most of our household income, you are contributing to your bigger debts. There's your housing loan. So is that a good news that we have a FinTech to settle this? Everybody must know what is FinTech, must know what is AI. We cannot carry on all the old kind of tools. We must upgrade ourselves, right? Okay, of course that has been conducted so many classes. I found out most of the students in the class, we don't sign up for 2 years. We sign up minimum 20 years, 25 years. Young one go for 30 years or go for maximum 35 years. Those they have 40 years. Everybody go for maximum. Okay, so how? So first thing I like to share is it's a very high interest cost over time, right? Okay, you mean borrower often end up to pay how many times? 2 times more of the original loan over the 30 or 35 years due to the compounding interest. So example, $500,000 loan can cost over 900,000 after full repayment. I mean 400,000 is what is the cost. It's really high. Okay, so second, majority of the payment not going to the principal. So it's paid what? Paid interest, but how many percent? Okay, in the first 5 to 10 years, 60 to 80% of each monthly payment paying what? It's just for interest. So imagine what happened. So we want to give you a refresh again. So everybody must think of, if monthly payment we are paying 60 to 80% just for interest, end up how? Do we make money or not? Especially for investor, you rent out your property, you bought a shop lot, you spend a couple of 100,000 to settle, to pay the down payment, lawyer fee, everything renovation. So you rent out your property. So is every month you are collecting money 10,000, but 600 to 800 is paying what? So what happened? So now I give you some time. You think about how much you already paid. Maybe you already paid 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. You roughly how much you already paid. I give you an example. You've already paid 1,600,000 to 800,000 are paying what? Only interest payment. So how? We are the investor. We are the one who make the installment. So what is your solution, friend? Okay. So number 3, this one show everybody feel one. We pay already. What happened? Loan will not reduce significantly even after paying for several years. Many borrowers shocked to see their outstanding loan amount remain very high, especially in the class. Only in the class they open the letter, checking the bank statement or check the online. Some even not register for year online to check all this. Only they come into the class. I hope that after the Zoom, you have some time to check this, right? So everybody need to think. If this is keep on happening when we want to sell off our property. I mean, our profit margin is what? It's not very high already. So you supposed to make the most. Do you? Do we? That's why we wanted to share, excited about this. We wanted to share more, but we want to rephrase what happened first. So you have some idea. Of course, a lot of students in the class also say no strategy one. How to settle? Because the loan amount not like our those days, 25,000, the low cost house. Now minimum 300,000. If the normal one are near city, 500,000 to 1 million. How to settle earlier? It means most borrowers don't have the clear roadmap to pay off their loan faster. Everybody think of what? Now you have to think, after tonight, you must have a clear roadmap to how to pay off your loan more effectively, more efficiently. Do you have or not? If you don't have, we are one of the option. So we are foundation. We are creating this using so many years and years of experience to get this thing done. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, we are introducing the mortgage management system we launched in 2019. Already past 6 years already, right? We call it mortgage management system. It's under FinTech finance technology category, right? So what this FinTech can do for you? Okay, first is reduce total interest. Example, you are paying 1 million, you need to pay 1 million. We can cut half. You already save 500,000, you know. So by using a slash interest methodology, this is a very powerful methodology, system, calculation. Okay, no refinancing needed or switching bank. No more already. Okay, that means you continue to with your current bank. You still pay back to the A bank. If your loan take from the B bank, you still pay back to the B bank. Okay, so the system will automatically reduce 25 to 75 of the interest payment. Very powerful. Number two, shorten your loan tenure. Example, you sign up for 30 years. You can cut half already. Just now in the interview, we already interviewed by New Six Fund so many years ago, slash 50%. So you don't need to drag your loan until your age of 60, 70, you're still paying. We should enjoy our life. Okay? So the system is automatically give you one optimum repayment. That means you are facing now your outstanding not reducing, your moratorium, you are not paying all this. You must listen. So help you to pay off earlier. Minimum 7 years, maximum can cut off 22 years. Okay? Achieve a debt-free life earlier. Fully pay off before our retirement age. So keep all your saving for other things, not for your bank. So if you pay back bank, all your saving is there already. Be not 10, 20,000, you're talking about few $100,000 or $1 million. Okay, number three, transparency. Our system have a loan tracking with Smart Ledger. What is this? It's an automatic ledger, just like the accounting system function. Okay, it's a real-time tracking of your principal and interest, the ratio. Now, if I ask you how much you are paying interest, exactly percentage, I don't think you can actually share instantly. They mean every month you're paying 10,000, you don't know how much you are paying. Ayo, cannot lah, friend. Okay, so clearly see what you are paying off. Every month you are paying 10,000. How much are going to interest? How much are going to principal? You must know. If no, keep on paying 60 to 80%, then how end up? We are not the winner. Nobody win. Now the non-performing also very high. Now the government also wanted to come up to stop all the unnecessary loan already. Which means that the government is doing something, but as an individual, maybe you're corporate, we also must do something. So I want to highlight a few letter offer, or just to refresh your mind. Just like this. Sign up at 2005, 24 years. Need to pay until 2029. Paid so many years. I don't know whether finished already or not. But you must always track your monthly mortgage repayment carefully. First, to avoid overpay interest. Secondly, make sure your monthly repayment currently are aligned accurately with the terms stated in your letter offer. Why I say so? You can see on the screen, this customer borrower signed at 6%. At 5 years, different year have a different installment amount. Already stated very clearly in your letter offer, but what happened when the BLR changed? Most of us, I think, believe 90% are signing at floating rate, not fixed rate. All right? 10 years already, I never seen one. I don't see any fixed rate. They mean 90% of Malaysian, we are signing floating rate. So when rate floating, what happened? Your installment amount also keep changing. So end up, do you paying a right repayment or not? As I excited tonight, I want to share yesterday. We also help another customer, right? Okay, so slowly, because if you are first comer, you need to know what it is. Okay, so second letter offer, this is 2008. Signing at 30 years, need to pay until 2038. Now you only 2025. Still sign at 6.75. If there is a change in BLR, of course there's different name, BLR, BR, SBR, IBR. Your monthly installment will be revised accordingly by the bank. So you must read all this. Maybe you already forgotten. Never mind, I remind you, this is important, friend. Okay? So I share one more, 20110 or 10, tenure 36 years. Need to pay until 2046. Sign at 6.05. So the above interest rate is calculated on daily rest. It's applied monthly, subject to change from time to time by the lender. So you must know what you sign. You cannot, don't want to see lah. Never mind. I tell you, friend, we are in the class. I see a lot of borrower. I tell you, I see the face. Don't know turn what color already. Okay. It's important that you have to understand the basic, right? Okay, I show you few more bank statement so that you actually getting more information, right? Okay, so you need to always check your bank statement regularly. I'm recommended 6 months one time, or 1 year you receive one time. Please, you need to check. All right. Okay, I give you example what to check. Okay, so especially when the interest rate payment is higher than the monthly installment. This one, never think of you pay promptly, also you don't receive problems. Please just check lah, friend. If like this, never ending loan repayment, another one. This you can see 1,500, but the interest is 1,700. How to finish this loan? So this month, one of the reason maybe sometimes you miss some payment, you catch back, but you already kena what? Late charges already. The late charges keep on charging late charges, and also some kena default rate. So please refer back your letter offer. If you have a late payment or there is a default rate, please check. This might lead to you have this problem. This one never ending. So I seen a lot of borrower. Last minute only they know. This too late already. Last minute. You want to retire, after that cannot. If your loan extend few years, I think you also pening, friend. Right? Okay. So secondly, you also need to check the percentage. So I give you an example. This is paying 868, 100%, but the interest is 744. You mean how many percent? Is 84%. So what happened if you already paid like 5 years, 10 years, your interest should reduce. So please check the percentage. If the interest still remain very high after you paid for 5 years, 10 years, it's still like paying 60, you're supposed to reduce to 50 or 40 or 30 already. You cannot keep on paying so high my interest. That means something is wrong. Okay, this is important. Please check the percentage. Okay, so of course I show you a guideline, the repayment health check. This one only can do estimation, right? Because your tenure different, your rate different, how you pay different, also affecting this. But this one is a very good guideline for everyone already. Okay, so why? Because the structure of the mortgage is principal should grow over time. Interest should swing. That means interest should reduce slowly after you're paying so many years, right? Okay, give you a guideline of 25 years. First month you can see is 67%. After 5 years, 59. After 10 years, 49. After 15 years, 36. So you can see it's gradually reducing. Of course, 30 years is different. 30 year first month, wow, very high, 74%. That means you are paying 10,000 a month for your shop lot, is 7,400 paying interest. Wow, you don't have any feeling. Wow, that means you're a very rich guy, friend. Okay, after paying 10 years, you pay 10,000 for your shop lot, 6,700 is the interest payment. After 10 years, it reduced to 59, reduced to 49 after 15 years. You see not? It should reduce. Of course, 35 years. This one is no choice. You already signed. You can see first month is almost 80%. After 5 years, 74. After 10 years, 67. After 15 years, 59. Right? Okay. So which means that you have to check if your loan already paid more than 5 years. If the loan look very funny, still paying very high interest, then please, okay, go and double check. If you don't have other option, we are one of your solution. Okay. So after you receive your bank statement once a year, you must take out the bank statement and take one calculator and start to calculate the first month outstanding balance. You key in your first month outstanding balance, it means January lah. After you minus what? You minus the December, the last month outstanding balance. The amount appear is what? Is the real amount of principal is what you pay off. The rest is all interest. They mean you already paid 100,000. Okay, that means you check reduce only 20,000. That means 80,000 is interest lah. It's a lot of money, friend. Okay, please check. We want you to aware about what you are paying. Cannot blindly paying like this, right? Okay, so especially moratorium, MCO, you must track carefully after moratorium because the interest might keep accumulating, right? Because after MCO and your loan tenure may be extended or your monthly installment may increase. Just check your bank statement. Okay, you need to know because if you do not pay the 6 months or maybe you extend another 6 months, in total is 12 months you never pay. Of course, the interest is what accumulating. So interest will continue accumulate during this period until today, already 4 to 5 years, unless your bank tell you you no need to pay interest. Your interest is exemption, right? So please check your bank statement. This is one of the reasons your outstanding still remain very high because the compounding interest keep compounding. Like those days our credit card, you owe 10,000, you didn't pay for a certain period, it become 15, 20, 35,000. Don't pay. The credit card may be 10 or 20,000, but your loan is few 100,000 or no. Can you understand why we wanted to share this? Right? Okay. And also, of course, when you see this in the social media or you buy a newspaper, you see this bank negara are adjusting the rate. Hey, friend, you must take a few minutes to read this, right? Because when the rate change, especially we call it overnight policy rate, okay, set by bank negara, it will directly affecting your money repayment, especially you're using a floating or you sign the what is the rate floating one. I don't know what package you sign. but I didn't see any fixed one anymore lah. They mean you are one of the signing the fluctuation rate, right? Okay, I show you one of the website from Bank Negara, www.banknegara.gov.my. This is referred to 2022. You can see only 2022, the rate has been adjusted 4 times. So which means that when this happens, your installment should revise accordingly. So do you know or not? Do you double check or not? So I already give you the website. I hope that you have time. Please go and check, right? Okay. So of course, what we can do, our system, mortgage management system. Okay. So our system actually will automatically calculate the exactly principal and give you the right installment amount so that you can save a lot of interest, right? Because the overnight policy rate will keep changing, depend on the current market situation. Okay, so the interest rate will change when your rate or the overnight policy change. When the floating rate keep changing, what happened? Our system will automatically respond to minimize the negative impact. Because each time the rate change, are you paying the correct installment or not? That's why I want to share one case, so you will be more alert what I wanted to share, right? Okay, of course, if you wanted to use our system to check, it only take you 2 minutes, all right? We need your bank letter offer, bank statement, and other related information, right? Okay, it's important. So after that, our system, you need to key in accurate to input your loan information. The system will automatically show you the current loan status. Current, what happened? Maybe you already paid 5 months, maybe you already paid 100 months, you already paid 150 months. What happened? You don't want to know. Oh, a lot of money you paid, friend. So if you don't have solution, our Proptech system will automatically calculate the right repayment plan for you. Just like you're buying an insurance. So buying a right insurance package. So the insurance company will help you to what? You calculate your premium. This one also same. It's automatic, right? So I share one case. Okay. So this is the using a Proptech system. I call it real case study. Okay. So it's dated 24th, just yesterday lah. Okay. So the letter offer date is on the August 10, 2018. So LA is stand for loan amount is for 649K. Okay. And the loan term is LT stand for loan term is 288 months. They mean 24 years lah. This borrower sign up. Right? I will slow down a little bit so let you understand. Okay. Because this is the case that I wanted to share to let everybody know what has been Foundation doing for the last 6 years using this system to help thousands and thousands of borrowers. So tonight you are lucky and it's my honor to share with you what has been Foundation was using the system to help another customer, right? Okay, let me share. Okay, this is the system we are using. We call mortgage management system. I rephrase again. It's a FinTech technology. FinTech, which means finance technology. We only use few minutes to settle our problem. No need to drag until 5 years or 10 years, friend. There's a lot of money you paid already. It's a FinTech must use now, right? Okay. So first thing, we need to enter your mortgage information accurately. You can see our system panel. We have already have all the selected bank in the system. You just need to choose that you sign with which bank. All right. So the system I say already is FinTech is automatic. Okay. So of course, ensure your mortgage information is entered accurately is very important, right? Just now I show you already, you need to enter which bank that you sign your letter offer with, your loan tenure, your loan amount, your interest type, okay? And also your latest payment. Maybe you already paid 2 years or 5 years or 10 years. Your latest monthly repayment. Do you aware or not? That is very important. Your outstanding, call to check outstanding balance. Write down the date because we need to key in accurately. Letter offer, when you sign, is important because this fintech will detect, because you select the bank already, you detect this bank and then this particular, what is the rate. So when you key in again your first installment date, the system will automatically calculate all the mathematics for you. You will know what happened to your mortgage in only 2 minutes of your time, right? Okay. So after you paid safe, what happened? The select interest type. This one you cannot simply just key in, cannot. Please refer to your letter offer. You can see clearly here, the interest type, we have BLR, BR, BLR, BFR, IBR, SBR. So refer back what you sign and then you key in accordingly. Okay, because system, once you key in accurately, it will give you accurate report, just like our accounting system. You cannot simply key in the invoice. You must check each invoice and key in, because the accounting system is, the format is help you to get everything done in a minute or so. This one also the same, but this one is the mortgage information. Okay, so you select IBR, you sign IBR, you select IBR, and this customer using IBR, sign the interest type is IBR. Okay, then the Proptech system will auto-generate your current mortgage status report. Your current, what happened? Okay, let me explain this customer. Okay, you must, they will show you the tenure, the number of installment paid, the balance installment, the total payment, total balance principal, that means your outstanding balance. It will automatically show you all this, right? Okay, I will show you this, what happened to this customer. Okay. Before this, I wanted to share with you the Bank Negara website to check your rate. So especially 2025, this year one. Okay. So you can see that under the Bank Negara website, okay, the rate has been decreased in July. Okay, it's minus 0.25. Okay, you can see very clearly. That means the rate is 2.75 now. Okay, why I want to show you this? Okay, because the impact of the 0.25 reduction in interest rate, I will explain before and after. They mean that before is 70% are paying interest, 30% are paying principal. But after the rate minus 0.25, what happened? Your interest should reduce. Your principal should increase. Right or not? This is very important. You have to know. Okay. So what happened to this customer? So because when interest reduce, principal increase, what happened to your tenure? Your tenure should what? Shorten. You automatic shorten, let's say you automatic shorten 10 months, you are paying 110,000 a month, you already say automatic 100,000, you don't want. So I explain. It's important, friend, you listen. Original loan tenure is 288. This customer, after paying 26 months, you can see 288 after minus 26 months, the balance is 262. But the system update loan tenure is 263. That means the loan not shorten, extend 1 more month. What happened? So during MCO, the rate so low. How many months we should shorten already? Why this thing happen? I cannot explain 100% over the screen, friend. You have to check your thing. I think our mathematics also not bad one. Cannot be you cannot not knowing what I'm talking about. Okay. So I want to explain one more time. When the rate change, what happened? When the interest rate fluctuation will impact how much your monthly repayment going to your principal and versus interest. I do some animation, you will understand one. When the rate change, what happened? Show our rate interest change up and down, up and down. But this up and down will affecting how much our principal payment, also affecting how much your money payment. So what I mean, now understand this part, okay. So I want to evaluate this customer current situation. What happened? Based on customer estimation paid already 95,000, because based on the outstanding balance reduced only 35,000, they mean up total is 95 minus 35, they mean the interest paid is 60,000. They mean this customer 60,000 already burned. 60,000 if go travel overseas, very good already. You can go in very happy trip already. How many notebook you can buy? How many fine dining you can enjoy? What car you can buy? Okay. So the balance still at 317,000. You don't want settle. Everybody want, but using the old way, no need already. Using a fintech, right? We must settle this. If no, still need to pay 300,000 on this customer. Okay, this is the current one. Okay, so after this, our system, you can choose a SIM package based on your budget. What is SIM? As I say already, is slash interest methodology. Okay, on the system, you can choose 25. Okay, you can select what kind of package based on your budget, right? Okay, you can select there 25, 50, or 75. What this means, I explain a little bit. Okay, which means that you can choose a SIM package based on your budget to save 25% of interest, or 50%, or 75%. After you select in the system will automatically calculate the approximately monthly repayment to reduce interest payable by 25% to 75% and shorten your loan tenure by 25 to 75%. Okay, how? So I show you. This customer, after he key in all, the system will auto-generate 25% of package report. That means this customer can save 25% of the balance interest payable. Okay. After you can see on the screen, customer select 25 package. Can save 79,000. Can save almost 5 years. Friend, with every month 2,000-3,000, 5 years can pay another nice car. No, 79,000 actually can pay maybe your children education, one of the semester. No. So the system also very clever. It give you a first to 12 month payment range. With the Proptech system, user can pick the SIM package to fit their budget. So you can know the screen, or paying like this, I can afford right? This customer, by increasing every day only few dollar, already can help to save a lot of money. This is fintech. No need to wait until you dump in a lot of money. No need. We already studied that one old version already, right? Okay. Before I explain further, okay, this already what I can explain over the Zoom, because of the time limitation, right? If you are interested to know more, you can refer. But there's a last few slides I want everybody try to understand why this system so important. All right, okay, I give you what happened to this customer. First, this is referred to customer LO. You can see very clearly the customer are signing at IBR plus 4%. So the interest is 4.15. Very clear. Okay, I repeat again. The original, the stated in the letter offer, original profit rate is IBR plus 0.4% per annum. Very clear, right? So second, letter offer also showing how many months the IBR plus 0.4% per annum are how much this customer need to pay every month. It means the original monthly payment is 3,712.34. The customer sign already, everything. It means you sign something already. Okay? I want to ask you something. Look carefully. The original stated at 4.15, customer are paying 3,712. Okay, but based on the statement dated at December 31st, the interest rate, you can see clearly that has been increased to 4.4 already. So what happened? 2657, which means that what I wanted to share is the original is 4.15. This installment is $3,712. When interest increased to 4.4%, then why the customer are paying 3657? Which means my question is, when the rate increased from 4.15 to 4.4%, should the installment be higher? Do you have an answer? I don't know what happened to your mortgage. I just want to tell you, friend, this is the real case, you know. So important to you check. Never assume, never assume. Okay? If assume, you pay a lot of price for it. Not worth it, friend. Oh, there's all your hard-earned money. 60 to 80%. Not enough, right? Okay? Which means that during a class, we've seen a lot of bank statement. Okay? I don't know what happened. I want to ask you is, are your installment correct or not after the interest rate change? Do you change accordingly or not? So please, this will lead to a lot of problems, friend. I cannot share all, but I think I share enough to trigger for you to understand what is mortgage management, why we need it, why you need it, right? Okay. So I hope that you enjoy the sharing. Okay. So last, the Proptech mortgage management system is just like acting like our GPS. You already lost at the highway already. You need a GPS. You may be already lost already in your mortgage payment. This system going to help everybody, right? So I'm from Proptech Foundation. I'm Dr. Mortgage. Thank you for joining us tonight. Okay. So please, want to know more, please contact the person who invited you to this preview. And thank you so much for spending time with us. Right. Once again, I'm from Yayasan, Teknologi, Pengurusan, Hartanah, Sedunia, short form called Proptech Foundation. Wish you happy good night. Okay. I hope you can have time to check all the things that I shared tonight. All right. So thank you very much.